so beautiful morning, but so cold this morning. I had this piece of beef, which is a chuck, a black Angus, and I was thinking about grilling it. An adventure, of course. This piece of meat is very tough, so I said maybe I grill it or maybe I barbecue it. But you know, it's so cold that I make my mind in different direction. We're going to do a pot roast with this, which is ideal for this piece of meat. The treatment of the pot roast, which is sear it, submerge it in liquid, and cook it slow for the time it's needed until they become very tender and fall apart. The chuck coming from this area of the cow, and let's go to the office. I got a chart. I show you. This is the half of the carcass of the cow, and this area over here is the chuck section. The neck and the head of the animal goes around this area over here. From this section, the chuck got 7 different cuts, which are shoulder, pectoral, shoulder claw, cross rib, boneless top blade, boneless bottom blade, which is what we're going to use, and a blade. So this is the section where the piece of meat that I have coming from, and I'm going to show you, if I can move the camera a little bit over the map. This one is the boneless bottom blade, and if you're looking at, compare the picture, what I buy, whoops, that way, you will see pretty much similar cut. All right, I find in the refrigerator the things, some of the things. I think I got everything, lucky me, for my pot roast. So some celery, carrots, peppers, onions, garlic, chile, Anaheim. I'm gonna use it. I used another one the other day. It's sweet. It's not that spicy, but they have a kind of nice flavor that I'm gonna use it too, because I have it in there. And I find these small, different kind of finger potatoes. You got a Peruvian potatoes, white and red, the purple potatoes, the Peruvian. You can use Russell if you like to. It's the same thing. I don't gonna do mashed potato. I think with this one, what I will do is just roast it on the pit, and a little bit of oil, salt, and parsley on the top. But you can do mashed potato if you like to. If you use roasted, probably would be the ideal for this, and that will be an icon for a pot roast. So I got a piece of meat already. I remove it from the bag. I wash it a little bit with a little bit of water, not too much. I don't want the water penetrate inside the meat. But you know, when you buy a piece of meat that are already in a package, normally the liquid, the blood, if it time pass by, they start to have some kind of bad flavor, but smell. It's not that it's bad, but just make sure that you wash it. And after that, smell it. If it's clean, it's fine. If it's not, well, be careful. The meat can be old and past the time to be used. What I do first? Okay, let's season the meat first. Salt and pepper, that's it. I don't want to put anything else. And I'm missing the salt. All right, that's good. We're missing the salt. Yeah. Hey, can you bring me the salt, please? Because I'm gonna submerge this in a liquid, and the liquid would be salty, so don't put too much salt. Okay, I'm gonna put a little bit of pepper. Okay, the fire is ready. So let me see. Okay, I don't want to spread it out too much. I want to sear the meat very, very hard and very fast, without a burner, of course. For that one in here, which I already cleaned. I'm gonna let it heat it up for a second, and let's add the meat now. That's the noise that you want to hear. I'm going to sear it all the sizes, and I'm going to move everything over this size, and I'm gonna add a couple of chips in there, and it's gonna start to create some kind of smoky flavor. Excellent. Smooth that over this size, away from the ambers, and I'm going to add in here, put this down a little bit, and we're going to start the process of smoking and cooking at the same time. Of course, I'm going to put a little bit of wood in here that I have, Applewood, and let me see how that looks like the other side. Here it is. Okay, and look at that, you see? All right, I'm going to smoke it in there for 30-40 minutes. Oh, it's beautiful smell. Smoking. Our meat is smoking beautifully. All right, so I got the veggies right here. I'm gonna put a space in there. So I put the meat in the middle, in the center. Okay, let's cut the potatoes. Ready for the pit. All right, let's see what happened here. Oh, the smoke in my eyes, my God. Woo, that was good. Okay, now I can see. Wow, this looks nice. Look at this. Yeah, for me, this piece of meat, it got the smoke that I like and I want for this dish. You can leave it more time if you like to. If you taste the smoky flavor more intense, but for me it's good. So let's put it on the pan with the vegetables and the liquid that we make, and let's bring them back. This looks good. Excellent. And let's pass it to the tray here. Ooh, 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 ooh. Look at this, look at this. I got the chicken base in here. You can use beef base, but it's what I have, so it's what I use. A little bit of chicken base in there. And I have boiling water. I boil in the water, and I will save like probably an hour. You can put it with your cold water or room temperature water, but you know, they're gonna be longer in order to start to boil. That's it. Now, I don't want to go to the top. I think it's fine in there. It's perfect for what I want. The peppercorns, a little bit of more salt, and I got thyme again because it's what I have in the refrigerator, and when I use it in here, you can use rosemary or whatever you have. You can use dry one too, but I got that one fresh. Now I'm gonna cover it with aluminum foil and I'm gonna put it back. Okay, I added a little more of charcoal. So I keep the temperature around 350. Let's check it out how this looks like. Oh my God, looks beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful. Still need time in there. Another half an hour or so. Okay. Perfect. So the potatoes get in. This one will be ready in that time. So everything will be on the same time ready to go. All right, food is ready. The temperature come down around 200, which is fine because it's the end. And this is perfect. My little potatoes are done. And what about this? Look at this. I'm gonna keep it covered for a second, and I'm gonna put in that. So let's move into the table, and let's serve this food. I'm gonna do the gravy first. So I'm gonna remove a little bit of the juice. Look at this. I'm gonna need this. I'm gonna move a little bit of this juice. What am I gonna heat it up? And I'm gonna make the gravy. Heat it up. Let me move it here. Oh, the ambers are very hot in here, so directly on the ambers. Let it heat it up for a second. Gonna be ready in a minute or two. Boiling already, beautiful. So what am I gonna do? I'm gonna use cornstarch. You can use root, okay, if you like to. What is root? Root is the same amount of flour and butter, and you cook it to the color, becoming brown and brown and brown, and that produces the flavor. The more you cook it, the more intense the flavor will be. I don't gonna go there. I'm gonna make it like a healthy. So I'm gonna just use cornstarch. So how much I put in? Well, to the thickness that you like. Personally, I don't want too thick. I just want to make a light gravy. And I take it, my spatula. Oh, don't break it. All right, beef in there. And now I'm gonna take some of the vegetables around. I'm gonna remove the avocado leaf and the bay leaves. Here, put it away. All right, so for our potatoes, a little bit of oil. Ooh. They got already salt and pepper for me, so I'm fine. Garlic, chopped parsley, a little more of garlic here. Never is enough for me. And now I got the gravy. Hot! I'm gonna put a little bit of gravy here. With just light gravy over the top. No more than that. Me tengo que achicar. Tengo que poner así. I'm gonna try, and I'm gonna do it this way so you guys can see me too. All right? I don't think I'm gonna need this because you can do this. Look at this. Look at this. My God. A little bit of the juice. A little bit of the onion here. This is smoky. It's smoky, but still tiene that kind of beefy taste with the vegetables and the garlic. I got a kick of that, which is nice, and the peppercorns definitely is good. What about the potatoes? Let me see. One of these potatoes. That's like great. Again, smoky with the garlic. I got the texture of the potato, salty, perfect. Listen, this is very easy to do. It's the same thing doing in the oven, but in the barbecue. Try, you're gonna love it, and you can do a lot of things in the metal pan. You don't need to be next to the fire pit for hours. It's just this one is some kind of dish. The only one you need to do is make sure the temperature is around 350 for the entire cooking process. I am Chef Gustavo. This is Chef Barbecue. Hey, subscribe on the bottom, top, whatever it is there. I don't know what they're gonna put it into today. Just subscribe it, and I'll see you this week. Thank you. Guys, you wanna try? No?